Good morning, students. God bless you. Welcome to 9th standard maths class. The last class we have discussed algebraic identities. In this class we are going to see about the same algebraic identities, especially square and cubic identities. Okay. Exercise 3.4. Sixth question. If x plus y plus z is equal to 9 and xy plus yz plus zx equal to 26, then find the value of x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, the solution. We know that a plus b plus c the whole squared formula already well known. Okay, what is the formula for a square plus b square plus c square? Okay, then plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Is it or not? Okay, here a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus, consider the three terms, 2 is the common factor, so 2 taken outside, remaining ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, here replacing a with x, b with y, c with z. Okay, so x plus y plus z the whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into xy plus yz plus zx. Okay, carefully replace the value. Then substitute the value x plus y plus z is given, which is equal to 9. So 9 square equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into xy plus yz plus zx is also given. This is equal to 26. Okay, so 26. 9 squared is 9 nines are 81, which is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into 26 equal to 52. Okay, the question is x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, making the transformation, the 52 right side into left side, we get 81 minus 52 is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, then subtract both the value. 11 minus 2 is 9. Okay, 7 minus 5 is 2, so 29 is a subtraction value, which is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. This is the required value. Have you understood? Using the algebraic identities. Okay, next 7th question. Find 27a cube plus 64b cube if 3a plus 4b is equal to 10 and ab is equal to 2. Here I want to find the value of 27a cube plus 64b cube. Okay, the solution. Given 27a cube plus 64b cube equal to, the 27 can be written in the cubic value of 3. 3a the whole cube. 3 cube is 27 and a cube is a cube. Then plus the 64 can be write 4 cube. So 4b the whole cube. Have you understood? So we know that the algebraic identity a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. This is your algebraic identity formula. Okay, here comparing question with identity, 3a the whole cube plus 4b the whole cube. A is considered 3a and b is replacing by 4b. Okay, here a is equal to 3a, b is equal to 4b. Okay, replace now. A is 3a, so 3a the whole cube plus 4b the whole cube equal to a plus b the whole cube. A is 3a plus b is equal to 4b the whole cube minus 3 into a is 3a, b is 4b, then a plus b, 3a plus 4b. I understood. Then 3a plus 4b equal to 10. So 10 cube minus 3. So multiplying the numerical values. 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36. 36ab. Then 3a plus 4b value is 10. Okay, replacing the given value. So 3 cube is 27 a cube plus 4 cube is 64 b cube, which is equal to 3a plus 4b value is 10. So 10 cube minus, multiplying the numerical values, we get 36 into ab into 3a plus 4b value is 10. Okay, carefully substitute the value. Then 27a cube plus 64b cube equal to 10 cube is 1000. 10 multiplying 3 times we get 1000 minus 36 into the given AB value is 2. AB is equal to 2. This is given. Then 10. Okay, which is equal to 1000 minus 36 2s are 72. Then 10. Which is equal to 1000 minus 72 into 10, 720. So 27a cube plus 64b cube equal to 1000 minus 720 is 280. This is the required value of this question. Have you understood? Okay, using the algebraic identities. Before start, carefully read all the identities. Okay, next 9th question. 8th question is homework. Okay, following the same manner of the 7th question. Okay, now the 9th question, if a plus 1 by a equal to 6, then find the value of a cube plus 1 by a cube. The cubic values appear, so using the cubic identities. The solution, a plus b the whole cube equal to, we know that a plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is your identity. Okay, here replacing a equal to a, okay, a cube, b is equal to 1 by a, because 1 by a cube given. Okay, substitute here, a is a, b is equal to 1 by a the whole cube, a plus b the whole cube. Have you understood? Which is equal to a cube is a, so a cube plus b cube equal to 1 by a, 1 by a the whole cube, plus 3 into a is a, then b is 1 by a, then a equal to a plus b is equal to 1 by a. Okay, a plus 1 by a the whole cube equal to a cube plus 1 cube is 1 divided by a cube is a cube, plus the a are cancelled, remaining 3 and a plus 1 by a. Understood? Okay, a plus 1 by a is given. A plus 1 by a is equal to 6. So 6 the whole cube equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube is not be given, so right, then 3 into a plus 1 by a value is 6. Okay, 6 cube is equal to 216. Okay, so a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 6 are 18. Okay, so making the transformation, 216 minus 18 equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube. Okay, subtract both the values. 16 minus 8 is 8. Okay, then 10 minus 1 is 9, then 198. Then a cube plus 1 by a cube. This is the final value. The question is find the value of a cube plus 1 by a cube. Now we get a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to 198. Have you understood? Okay, next 11th question. The 10th question is your homework. Using the identity a plus b whole square and a plus b whole cube, we get the answer of 10th question. Okay, the next 11th question, if y minus 1 by y the whole cube equal to 27, then find the value of y cube minus 1 by y cube. Okay, the solution. So the cubic identity is xs, so we know that x or a y minus, so x minus y the whole cube equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. This is your formula. Okay, here x is replacing by y. Here x is equal to y is equal to 1 by y, as 1 by y cube is given. So replace here x is equal to y, so y minus y is equal to 1 by y the whole cube equal to x cube. That means y cube minus y cube 1 by y the whole cube minus 3 into x is y, then y is 1 by y, then x is y minus y is 1 by y. Have understood? Okay, so y minus 1 by y the whole cube equal to y cube minus 1 cube is 1, y cube minus y are cancelled, 3 ones are 3, then y minus 1 by y. Okay, y minus 1 by y the whole cube equal to, already given, y minus 1 by y whole cube is equal to 27. Okay, replace the value. This whole cube value is 27, which is equal to y cube minus 1 by y cube minus 3 into y minus 1 by y. So y minus 1 by y value we need, taking the cubic root of 27, we get y minus 1 by y. Cube root of 27 is 3. Okay, so y minus 1 by y equal to 3. I understood from the question. So 27 equal to y cube minus 1 by y cube, minus into plus minus, 3 3s are 9. Okay, then making the transformation, 27 plus 9 equal to y cube minus 1 by y cube. 27 plus 9 is 36 equal to y cube minus 1 by y cube. This is the required value. Have you understood? Okay, next 12th question. Simplify the first subdivision, 2a plus 3b plus 4c into 4a square plus 9b square plus 16c square minus 6ab minus 12bc minus 8ca. Okay, this is your question. The solution, we know that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, which is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, this is your formula. Consider the sum 2a plus 3b plus 4c. This is x plus y plus z. X is 2a, y is 3b, z is 4c. Then x square plus y square plus z square. X is 2a. 2a squared is 4a square. Is it or not? Okay. So once again, take and write the question. So 2a plus 3b plus 4c into, this can be right, 2a the whole square, that is x square plus y squared is 3b the whole square, 3 squared is 9 plus z is 4, so 4c, so 4c the whole square is 4 squared is 16 c square minus xy, x is 2a, y is 3b. So multiplying both the value, 2 3s are 6, a into b, ab. Now we get, okay, minus yz, y is 3b and z is 4c. Check now, 3 4s are 12 B into C, BC. And minus ZX. Z is 4C, X is 2A. Okay, 4 2s are 8, C into A, CA. Okay, this is look like a identity. So comparing the identity, RHS is same, so equating the LHS. So X cube plus Y cube plus Z cube minus 3XYZ equal to X is, okay, X is 2A. So 2A the whole cube plus Y is equal to 3B. 3B the whole cube plus Z is equal to 4C. 4C the whole cube minus 3 into XYZ. 2A into 3B into 4C. Have understood? That's all. Then, okay, which is equal to 2 cube is 8. A cube. 8A cube plus 3 cube is 27 B cube plus 4 cube is 64 C cube. Then 3 2s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 4s are 72. So minus 72. Then A into B, AB, AB into C, AB, C. Okay, that's all. Have you understood? This is your answer. In this manner, you do the second subdivision from the 12th question. Okay. Okay, next 13th question. By using identity, evaluate the following. Okay, the first subdivision 7 cube minus 10 cube plus 3 cube. So X cube plus Y cube plus Z cube. In this like we get the question. The solution, we know that the three values of cube X is, use the formula X cube plus Y cube plus Z cube minus 3XYZ equal to X plus Y plus Z into X square plus Y square plus Z square minus XY minus YZ minus ZX. Okay, use this formula. First check X plus Y plus Z value. Okay, so X plus Y plus Z equal to, this is X, this is Y, this is Z. So X is 7, Y is minus 10 plus Z is 3. Okay, have to check. 7 plus 3 is 10 minus 10, 10 minus 10 is 0. So X plus Y plus Z is equal to 0. So this value is 0. 0 into the RHS sides are fully 0. Therefore, X cube plus Y cube plus Z cube equal to 3XYZ. Okay, the minus 3XY making the transposition, we get plus 3XYZ. Okay, so replacing the X value is 7. So 7 cube minus 10 cube plus 3 cube equal to 3 into X is 7, Y is minus 10, Z is 3. Okay, so multiplying all the values, we get the answer of question. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63, 63 10s are 630. So this minus, so minus 630 is the value. Have you understood? Okay, next 1 plus 1 by 8 minus 27 by 8, the second question. This is your question. Okay, which is equal to 1 can be write 1 cube plus 1 by 2 the whole cube, as 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8 minus 27 can be write 3 cube. So 3 divided by 2, 8 can be write 2 cube. So 3 by 2 the whole cube. 3 cube is 27, 2 cube is 8. I understood. Now we get x cube plus y cube plus z cube format. Okay, what's the formula? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This is your formula. First check x plus y plus z answer. X plus y plus z is equal to, x is the first value, so 1. Answer cube x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Okay, so y is 1 by 2. Z is minus 3 by 2. Okay, making the simplification. So 2 is the LCM. Okay, so here multiplying by 2, here already get 2, so plus 1. This is already get 2, so minus 3, which is equal to 3 minus 2 plus 1 is 3 minus 3 divided by 2. So 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 by 2 is 0. Okay, this is for x plus y plus z value. Okay, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0 means the x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to 0. The RHS value equal to 0. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz, making the transposition. Okay, so x is here 1. Okay, from the question, 1 cube plus 1 by 2 cube, 3 by 2 the whole cube. Okay, replacing the value, 1 cube plus 1 by 2 the whole cube plus minus 3 by 2 the whole cube. So 3 into x value is 1, y value is 1 by 2, z value is minus 3 by 2, which is equal to plus into plus plus, plus into plus plus, plus into minus minus. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9 divided by 2 twos are 4. So 1 cube is 1 plus 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, minus cube is minus, 3 cube is 27 divided by 2 cube is 8. This value equal to minus 9 by 4. Okay, have understood? Okay, dear students, today's homework, book page number 100, 101 and 102, examples 3.22 and 3.23, exercise 3.4, question number 8, question number 10, question number 12, second subdivision, question number 14. That's all today homework. Do it well. Thank you. God bless you.